Good day, everyone, and thanks for stopping by. If you're just discovering this channel, welcome to the family. Please try to subscribe to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, my goons, thanks for coming back. And if you've been watching my video and you've not subscribed, please do. That will help me greatly. And endeavor to watch this video to the end, please. I love you. So let's get into the business of the day. The first style is what you're seeing on the screen right now. It's a side parting. So that means that for you to be able to make this style, your stylist, or if you make your hair by yourself, must have made that part by the side. If you want to learn how I made this particular hair, I'm going to leave the link in the bio. Please check it out. And because I made this hair by myself, and I made 3 patterns, 1 by the side, 2 by the sides, and 1 at the middle. As you can see, if the hair is disturbing you or just coming down, you can use your bobby pins to hold them down. You can use the bobby pin to style it. You see, I made that center a little bit high up, and it can't come down to disturb my face anymore, and I can go all day rocking this style. I'm not going to call this the second style. Instead, I'm just going to say another pattern is for you to make it a center pattern, which I'm just showing you right now. Some people do not like it when they make their hair into the side pattern. This is another option for you. So you can make your style into the center pattern, or you can rather make it into the side and center, so you can switch the style as the week goes by. I'm just trying to show you how I parted this hair so I can make it into 2 different side parts. Depends on your angle. When you know your right angle, maybe when you push your hair to the right, it's finer, or when you push it to the left, just for you to know your angle, so you tell your stylist how to part your hair so you can be able to rock it in different styles. And this next style is so easy it's just for you to carry a significant amount of hair from the front part and just use some band to hold it down, and then you make it into a bun. So simple. If you like, you make it into a bun. Even if you don't make it into a bun, it's also a style, as you will see me show you in this video. The next thing is just for you to pack your hair into a ponytail. It can be high or low, depends on your choice, but this is going to be a little bit high ponytail. And then you can make it into a bun. What I mean by bun is just you wrapping it around. Just wrap it around. That's what I mean by bun. So enjoy the video, guys. Please guys, make sure you tell me which of the styles you prefer, which one you love to rock, which one you've ever rocked in the comment section, guys. Let's make this interactive. So the next style is for you to take just a small amount. If you have a longer braid, this is going to be much more easier for you. But if you don't have a long braid, you can actually use bobby pins to hold them down. Just look for a way around. Just hold them down with as much bobby pins as you need. It's just going to be by one side. And it's a very cute style, guys, as you can see. So just enjoy the process. We've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, like. I love you all. See you in my next video.